it is, first of all, you have to acknowledge that it is not your fault. Billions and billions of dollars are spent by these industries to make you do that. Okay. See, when you think celebration, people think cake, people think sweet. Now you look at the amount of advertisements that are there of people having sugary stuff, and somehow all these people have fantastic bodies. So the connections that your brain is making is, if I eat this sweet, no, I'm going to get muscles. I'm going to look sexy. This is how advertising works. And it's just poor little you against billions of dollars. So first of all, stop blaming yourself. Okay. Second, understand that you have to recreate these connections in your brain. I remember I did about 2 years of no sugar. And in that time, uh, on my birthday, we had a cake which was sushi. So sushi was made as a cake. It was really tasty. It was really new. It was not sweet, healthy, tasty. Right? So you have to start looking at alternatives and start recreating those connections in your brain that celebration need not mean sweet. Celebration need not mean unhealthy food. Happiness is not equal to unhealthy food. Otherwise, people see healthy food almost as a punishment. When you see that as a punishment, you have to remember one big secret of your brain. You know what that secret is? The brain will always take you towards pleasure and away from pain in the present moment. Chocolate cake, like Dinesh says, a moment on the lips, a lifetime on the hips. You know, you know it's not so good for you, but it is so pleasurable. So the brain says, eat yaar. This is your genetic programming. Right? So you need to make it pleasurable for yourself to do the good things in life. Like whenever I work out, now I'm not a person who enjoys working out very much. I've started enjoying working out. But one of the things that Dinesh always used to do, used to tell me when I started working out, when I would finish, over, done for today, yay, done. I would be like, it's a job done. And Dinesh would say, don't do that. So when you put the weights down, have a smile and say, wow, I feel wonderful. So are you kidding me? I'm feeling exhausted. I need a massage. I need a CST treatment. Take the weights, put them down and feel, I'm feeling fantastic. You start doing that. You start saying that. And sooner or later, you start enjoying it, especially once you start seeing your body. Change. Today I'm saying I'm 52 years old and I'm healthier today than I was when I was 35. Much healthier, like 20x healthier. And my body I can do all the things I want to do. I can run, I can take walks, I can exercise, I can eat some unhealthy food once in a while. But that happens because of a little bit of discipline, of taking care of the body. And like I always say, if you want to be healthy at 50, you cannot start at 49. You have to start way before that.